Now, I've already shoveled the driveway once, but I don't think you'll be able to tell that by looking. I'm trying to operate this camera and I got gloves on. It doesn't mix very well. The snow's really falling hard right now, and thick, big flakes. Maybe the kids will remember where we had built Fort Leesburg. I think we did that in 2002 or 2003. We built it right there between those two trees. There's enough snow right now to build Castle Leesburg, let alone. Oh, here comes our new pet Oso.
Teddy.
We want to call him Teddy, but
He's running in the snow like Polly.
he only speaks Spanish right now. Oso! Venga! Venga, Oso! Venga! Here he comes. There he goes.
Wagging his tail, he likes it.
You like it, Oso? You like the snow? Yeah.
It's
There
only
we
what
go.
time now? It's only 12 o'clock. This is supposed to go on until 6 tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we're going to get this snow will last all night and not end till 6 or 10 in the morning. We have our Christmas lights up.
Look at him. Look at him.
Hey, Oso.
You're getting deep, buddy.
Oso, what are you
You're
doing?
Stuck. You're gonna get stuck. Oh yeah. Is it fun?
He likes the snow. It looks, he's a lot like Polly. Behaviorally, he's a lot like Polly.
Polly.
Oso, venga. There he is.
Looks like, did you unplug the Christmas lights?
No,
Looks like they went off.
no, they're lit.
Or are they?
At least some of them are lit.
He's never gotten to run like this, you know. Oh, mark that tree. Gotta mark that tree.
He is completely attached to Renee. He doesn't like to be outside of the sight of a female. He came from a single family, a single mom home, Latina, with all of her children, and he identifies with the women. Oso, venga! Oso! Okay, we're gonna come in. Oso, venga! Venga!
Come on, buddy.
Take him in. Give you a quick pan of the street. Well, I was going to show you our lighted nativity. Well, fool that I am, still lighted in this storm. And I see my battery is also going sub on me because it's cold out here. Really coming down, and it's cold and windy. They're calling the district storm actual blizzard conditions. That's the sweet spot right now. Seems to be right in the middle of the District of Columbia. I don't know why, but that one is considered the blizzard area. We're just in a winter storm warning. There's Roland running his plow down the road. Sorry, I lost him. I don't know if I whited out. I think my lens is all covered, so I'm going to call it quits and send this to the internet.